Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install a VPN extension to your Google Chrome browser. So if you want to have a VPN only for Google Chrome to browse the internet safely, then here's how to do it. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top right corner of your screen, clicking on the three dots right here. Then we're going to click on settings, and now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the left side of our screen and we're going to click on extensions. Here you can see all the extensions you have downloaded. However, we're going to go to the left bottom side of our screen and we're going to click on Open Chrome Web Store. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click in the search bar and we're going to type simply in VPN. You can use any VPN you want. However, I've been using this one for a while and this is one of the best ones in my opinion. To add it to Chrome, simply click on Add to Chrome and make sure to click on Add Extension. Now what it's going to do, it's going to add your extension and it's going to give you some options. You can either pay or of course it's free. Just make sure to click on Continue Limited, click on Next and click on Done, and now your extension is installed. All you need to do is go to the puzzle tab right here, and now you can click on your extension, Free VPN for Chrome it's called. Now what you want to do is you want to click on Continue, Start, and now you can start using your extension VPN. However, of course, we want to spoof to an older location than where you're currently living, for example the USA. To do this, just click any of the ones you want. I'm going to, let's say Virginia. Just click on it, and now the most important thing is just clicking on this red mega button right here on the power button, and now it's going to connect you. It will say that the VPN is on and that your IP address is now changed, and that means that you can now safely browse the internet and you can access types and parts of the internet you normally wouldn't in your country. So yeah, that's how you can add a VPN to your Google Chrome browser using an extension. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.